Alright, so these are some Canada shoes. And you can tell we got these from Canada and they came undone. Might not be because they're from Canada that they're so cruddy. But what I do know is these are some cheap shoes. But we did, you know, to be fair, we got them from one of those black markets. So these are probably knockoffs. But let's see if we can fix them with some good old Loctite. Let's give that a go. So what I'm thinking is we're just going to put some Loctite in there and see if it'll hold them together. And if not, then well, they're not going to be in any worse shape anyway. So let's try that. Okay, so we put that Loctite on there, and now we're just going to press down and see how that goes. Go ahead, push down. Just let it sit in there. Alright, get it nice in there. Spread that glue around. Alright. Okay, so these are our recently repaired shoes. We let them cure, so now we're going to give them a test spin and see how they work. Okay, buddy, throw them on there. Are you super excited about getting your brand new shoes?
I'm so excited to have my newly fixed shoes.
Yeah, see? Let's see how this works. Okay, so walk around. Do they feel good as new?
Yes, they do. They feel fantastic.
Do they feel extra squishy?
And actually, you can't even feel the silicone in your shoe. That's nice up to the hard silicone.
Yeah, wow. Do you think you could run faster?
Sure, of course.
Do you think you could jump higher?
Just like Sonic.
All right. Well, there you go. Brand new shoes fixed with some good old peel or Loctite premium glue. So it looks like they can fix just about anything. All right. Good job, buddy.